this afternoon? I said, who's ready for a train ride this afternoon? Now, folks, this morning they spotted a bear up there at the top when they were checking the tracks. If we do see these bears up there, we'll let you guys know so you can take a picture. The only thing we ask is you must remain seated at all times. Thank you. On the count of three, we're all going to say all aboard. On the count of three, we're all going to say all aboard. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All aboard. That's another question. All aboard and welcome aboard the Dollywood Express. My name's Russ. I'll be the conductor on this trip up into the scenic foothills of the Smokies, along with fellow conductor Matt on car 3. So we'll get y'all clear from our depot master. We'll get on trip up into the scenic foothills of the Smokies. Depot master, let me know when we have the all clear. Hey, what do you call a bear with no teeth? What do you call a bear with no teeth? A gummy bear. Car 7, please hold it down, okay? A gummy bear. What do you call a train full of bubble gum? What do you call a train full of bubble gum? A choo-choo train. Again, car 7, please be quiet. Thank you. What kind of shoes do frogs wear in the summertime? What kind of shoes do frogs wear in the summertime? Open-toed sandals. I got you on that one. Hey, what's the difference between a teacher and a train? What's the difference between a teacher and a train? A teacher says, spit out your gum. A train says, chew, chew, chew. How do you find a missing train? How do you find a missing train? You follow its tracks. Yeah, folks, I'll be here all day. What do you call a polar bear in the jungle? What do you call a polar bear in the jungle? Lost. Where do hamburgers go to dance? Where do hamburgers go to dance? A meatball. Now, folks, remember to hold on to all your valuables at all times, because if it does fall off the train, we cannot retrieve it till tomorrow morning. So please hold on to all your valuables at all times. Keep small children in the middle with the adults on the outside edges. Now, this Daniel's back here on the back. Let's give Daniel a round of applause. He's doing a great job today. Come on, everybody, give him a round of applause. And we got Matt up there on car 3. Let's give Matt a round of applause also. Come on, give him a round of applause. And last but not least, you know who I'm talking about, don't you? Give yourselves a round of applause.
Those 2 whistles you just heard tell us that our engineer has received our all clear, and we will be pulling out of the depot at any moment. As we get ready to depart, let me remind you of a couple of the safety rules you will need to know for our trip today. Please remember to remain seated at all times. This does include small children, as they are not permitted to stand on your lap, on the seat, or on the floor. If you have small children in your group, please have them sit in the center portion of your seat with an adult on the outside edges. Also, remember to keep all body parts inside the car at all times, and the use of tobacco products is not permitted during our trip. Thank you.